Behind you, I saw guys crying when you behind you. I go well, not listening with me. You're not listening.
Alright, here we go.
Outstanding.
Oh shit! What are we? You're sneezing.
It's a haunted fire truck. It's a. Oh, I'm inside the fire truck. What the fuck? I'm inside of it.
Right, just a tiny bit. Said right. Oh.
I don't know which way you're looking.
Yeah.
Oh, he's upstairs! He's upstairs! He's got
English, motherfucker, do you speak it?
Louis, go to there!
Go to there. What the hell? First, what is English?
Freeze.
And then go to there. What is go to there?
Drive! Do you ever hear that? In the old GA, the old GA football and whatnot, they'd be like, drive it, boys! Drive! Fucking drive it! CAMPFRESONG song. It's a CAMPFRESONG song. If you think I can't sing it faster, fuck fuck this.
Do you see that bite down there?
Not shot! Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Okay, give me time, don't go yet. Oh, come on, you fucking dig! Come on!
Swim.
Come on, sweat yourself! Why are you fucking paddling? Fucking swim! Fucking swim! Fucking swim, I say!
Listen up, boys. This town is infested with zombies. We gotta kill them. We gotta clean them out and get to the safe house. All right, boys? You got me, Lobster?
Mm-hmm.
just the blankest expression on his face. Have you heard a single thing that I've said, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Stop it! You're in my personal space.
Where did you go, yellow crate? Is this you? Is this you? Are you this yellow crate? You this crate? Are you this crate?
Why do you sound like you've a mental disability,
Are
Dai?
you this crate?
Because he does.
Are you this crate? Are you still a yellow crate? Give me a hint. What are you? You this red crate?
Oh my god, please. Someone punch him in the face.
Oh, hey! I see a yellow crate.
Where?
You ran past the body. Is it this yellow crate? This yellow crate? There's a lot of yellow crates on this map. I saw him. He's a bin. He's not a crate anymore.
I'm not a bin.
He's not a bin.
That's technically a bin.
No, it's not.
Isn't.
Technically speaking,
No.
not really.
Absolutely
Where
not.
you put rubbish, that's what a bin is for.
Tyler, let's play a game. See how much balls you have. Big balls. You
Really?
fucking balls.
Really? Huh? What's it gonna kill you, huh? Huh?
He sounds like a murderer.
What the fuck?
Take it easy, man. It's only a game of Call of Duty.
Not just a fucking game anymore.
It doesn't have
Who's dancing on the ladder?
I'm ladder stalling.
I can hear you. It looks like you're dancing.
No.
Fuck you. I was ladder stalling.
I say you dancing on the ladder and all you hear is.
That's exactly the sound effect.
That's exactly what happened. I heard it all in my head.
Did you mean to do that?
What the fuck? Tired.
You look wide awake.
Oh, I just don't have eyelids.
I'm the city this hero deserves.
I don't think that's what the quote was, Nogla.
I'm this deserving city that gets a hero.
Okay, that works. we'll let that work as long as you just stop talking.
A hero that deserves this city is me. This city deserves a hero that is I. I'm the city this city deserves.
I'm the deserves this hero cities.
I deserve to see some titties.
Wait, what?
Whoa, okay.
Are you weenies ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah, my weenie's ready.
Just watch my back.
Get down, get down.
Fucking
doggy,
monkeys
get
when I have 3 bullets! This game hits me! What you get like Reagan or some bullshit? Oh my! I'm done! I'm quitting! I'm gone!
You can't like that shit.
I wanna click quit! I wanna click quit!
Oh my god.
Yeah, I got a ray gun.
Protect me,
Trust
Evan,
me, you're
please.
gonna get a good weapon this time.
I'm
You're
not
gonna
gonna-
get a Thompson.
Unluckiest motherfucker in this fucking world!
Oh my god.
Are you sure? I'm done, I'm out. Fuck this. No, I learned this song in 2 weeks.
God damn it. Why are you playing the piano now? Sounds awful.
Shut up!
No, the sound quality, not the song. The sound fucking quality.
Fuck you guys. Oh, you know what we could do for a game? We could have like teams, and basically there's like, how many people do we have here? Like 7, right? We could have like 4 people. Actually, if one per. Oh, we need an even number. Never mind. Never mind.
We can have we could have teams, and we could have 1 person, 2 people, another person, another person, and we could all make a giant rap.
It looks like a table to me, not a P90.
Can I just fucking move, please? Pow, 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 pow. Pow, 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 pow. Get what? Get out of my hood, bitch!
Need a table.
Nogla, you're about to die.
Yeah, you're right. Crap. Is everyone excited to go home for Christmas? Yeah?
Yeah!
You can't wait to have some what's that black stuff?
What?
Oh god, I know this.
I thought you were gonna say like turkey or something, but then you said black stuff.
No, there's black stuff. There's black stuff. It's got raisins in it, and it's real good. All right, protect me. I'll be right back.
Do it.
Let me phone my mother. Hey, ma'am.
Yes?
And what's that black stuff that you cook for Christmas?
I'm sorry.
You're sound asleep. You don't sound asleep. What's the black stuff, ma'am? That's all I need to know.
Plum pudding?
Plum pudding. There we go. Thanks.
Never heard of it. Never heard of it.
Never heard of it.
Good night, ma'am. Sleep well. Thanks.
You're the only one who eats that.
Plum pudding. I like how it's like a Christmas thing too. Apparently,
It is, man. Plum pudding's the shit.
like I've never heard of it. And Nogla is acting like that's the one thing he's excited for Christmas.
I am.
He was acting like it's like a staple of Christmas too. He's like, "Oh, you guys probably can't wait to have the black stuff." That's what he typed.
That's actually what you said.
That's exactly what he said. Fucking.
Look at all this blue shit everywhere.
It's purple. Everything is purple.
Yeah, I'm slightly colorblind. You fucking problem with that?
Yeah. Stop being racist, mini lad.
Yeah, fucking racist against colorblind.
Racist.
Fucking racist.
Racist.
It's all over, boys. It's all over.
No! No!
Am I good?
I'm down too!
Come on, get Evasive maneuvers. Oh, I'm dead. Fuck.
Scissor me timbers! Hey you!
Fuck off, Shane. I don't want to talk to you.
Scissors me timbers!
Scissors me timbers are.
He died right in front of me. Nogla, I got a sniper rifle. Can I join your clan?
Yeah, you can join my clan!
Oh my god.
Look at this shit, man. I'm Montrum. I'm burning through these guys.
He's Montrum. Doesn't even sound like 2 words. It sounded like 1 word. Montrum.
Oh, God. My balls are sweaty.
Knees weak, arms
heavy. On cue, bitch.
Alright. Five Nights at Freddy's 3 theory. Essentially, what happened is all the animatronics, they just for some reason changed for some reason. right? We don't know. We don't quite know, right? And because of that,
Makes sense.
because of the unknown and the fear of the unknown, the pay rise, the paycheck was given a pay rise, and that's why the five of us have come together. Link, Luigi. Oh fuck! I don't know you.
Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah. I am Wildcat and Zoidberg have come together to finally figure it out.
Do we need to play the name game real quick?
All this time you haven't known Buzz Lightyear?
Why is the house shaking? The house
Why
is
is the house shaking?
Oh, whoa!
Whoa!
Different guy, wrong guy. Different guy, wrong guy. House shaking. What you do?
What did you just say?
I didn't do it. It wasn't me.
We're ready. We're ready. We have to protect this shovel like it's our together child.
Together.
What? All right, come on, guys.
Look, you open it. You gotta open every door with the shovel.
Put down the fucking cactus.
Do you know it's a cactus? It's a cactus.
Cactus.
It's a cactus in the shape of a cock. It's a cactus.
Here, whoa, what about here? Break down!
What the fuck? What happened?
Nothing. Oh, hey, guys! Open the thing that was.
Speak English, man!
The thing that was closed is now open. Yeah. There you go. And there was a guy here who was distracting me, and there's a little ray can, and you just kicked it. All right, we're moving on. All right.
What? Are you speaking English?
I am.
Please.
Whoa! Look at all the blood. Whoa!
I thought he found something cool, but no, just whoa, look at all the blood!
The plot thickens.
I agree.
I shot at him at the same time.
And then the lobster died.
And after the lobster died,
Again.
then the lobster arrived.
Third time.
Fucking. And now we're in solidarity. Fuck you guys! It's not even cool anymore! Huh? How, you think it's funny? Huh? You think it's fun? Bitches!
That's why they put us in solitary confinement.
You're the ones that need help, not me! Oh! Fuck's sake! You're spawn killing me! Just fucking stop! Just fucking stop! Ah! Hold on, what do I need to... Stop it! Stop!
Reflex game more than anything. Who has the best reflexes? Still alive. Like, do you ever
Yes! I'm free! You fucking pricks! I'm going into the other place to be confined. Oh, this is the Bible ending! I found it! I found it!
Where is it?
Where?
You gotta go on the... Ah! Where am I?
Oh no!
I'm dead. I'm dead as a dick. Fucking
God, how the fuck did I...
We're fucked.
Oh my god! There's so many zombies. What the fuck?
I got.
Crystal?
I fucking same shit again. No, just go chill. I got these two because I'm the best at zombies.
Well, there was none coming to my hole, so I came over to your holes.
Get your own fucking hole. Take care of your own hole.
I was taking care of my own hole, and it's so well taken care of. There's nothing coming out of it.
Well, there'll be something coming out of it in a minute. No, if you don't show up.
There is something coming out of it. That's why I'm over here tending to my hole.
I've got to look after two fucking holes.
Yeah, it's because you're a girl. I only got one hole.
Fuck you. You gotta go higher, Tyler. Tyler!
What the hell was that?
Higher! Tyler!
Oh, guys, we got some
He's above us.
planets.
He's above us.
Oh boy! I'm gonna win!
No, you're not.
I'm next to a penis with a mouth. With a penis with loads of teeth and mouth.
Oh yeah, he's right here.
Parasites.
Oh, there he is.
You're halfway to the ground. You look like a pylon.
I'm like one of those cones you put in the road.
That's what he said.
Pylon is.
Oh, really? That's what a pylon is? Pylon?
Here we go. Let's play this map right here. U-Bahn.
Yuban.
U-Bahn. We're playing out U-Bahn.
Through my
Stop doing
day.
it in a Jamaican accent.
Yuban.
We're playing out the U-Bahn in Ball in Germany. Look at that biscuit. Alright, man. This is how we do it in Germany.
Germany. Okay, we gotta locate
We got to shoot the zombies.
Now you're turning Italian.
Escape.
Shoot the zombies. Are you sure you want to open the store? You guys want to open the store?
Yeah. Do that.
Speed cola.
What? Nogla was acting as if you opening that door was gonna save him. Open it! I forgot that.
Wah!
Yeah, we're playing WoW. We're playing WoW.
Nogla's frozen!
Oh no.
Fuck!
Where you going, Nogla?
Hold on, I'm coming back.
Nogla's stuck in time.
Bringing you the patty.
Oh, he's back.
Oh shit! Some prick called me on Skype. I swear to God, they're getting deleted too.
He yelled the name of the acronym for the game.
What game are we playing?
Wow. Call of Duty. Wow.
This is 2015.
2000.
The year where we stopped pronouncing our H's.
Oh, I got a thunder gun!
What's a thunder gun?
I need a gun. Protect me, friends. Oh, I got a fucking pack. I got a fucking bottle of beer. I got a bottle of beer. Fuck, there's alcohol in it. They give a fucking alcoholic drink to an Irishman. Racist fucking game. Alcohol has ruined my life, literally.
No, just this game, not literally.
Where's the final part? Come on, fuck Snoop Dogg.
Right? It's not Snoop
Just
Dogg.
tweet at Snoop Dogg.
Snoop, where's the last pot?
Protect me while I tweet Snoop Dogg.
And that goes under the list of shit I didn't think I
Protect
needed.
me while I tweet Snoop Dogg.
How many people in the world have said that?
That's on par with like, check out this shark eating a cheeseburger. Like that line's never been spoken before. Protect me while I tweet Snoop Dogg.
There we go. I tweeted him. I didn't have enough time to put a question mark, so I hope he knows it's a question.
What the fuck was that sound?
What was that sound?
Oh, the zombie did a course launch. I enjoyed it. One of these days, guys, it's going to be a good gun, and it won't be, and then it's going to be bad.
What? You just like gave up on that sentence and just took the easy way out. It's gonna be bad.
My shit is getting so large, it's pushing itself out of my anus.
pushing myself out of my anus. Not itself. It's pushing myself out of my anus.
He did it! He fucking did it! Now we gotta...
What the fuck was that? No, we gotta fucking...
Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, open.
Let's fucking go.
Closed, open, closed, open.
Oh my god.
Open.
Let me in the van.
What the fuck?
I'm now in the van. Get in the van.
Stop.
Let's go now in the van.
I fucking hate you.
I love you too, van. Oh, we fucked up that big van.
That's not a van.
We're parking the van.
Shut
We
up.
parked the van.
Are you from Canada too?
Yeah, I am here.
Alright, what part of Canada are you from?
I'm from about that area where you're about there.
Look at his eyes. Did you see
He's
his
like,
face?
I think that's right. He was squinting.
I'm from that area about there, that area about.
We ride together. We make pie together.
We ride together, we cry together.
We ride together.
We go eat pie. He's the devil.
We ride together, we make French fries together. We ride together, we work on our thighs together.
We die together. I mean, we ride together.
We die together and that's it. There's nothing else we can do together after we die.
You know who I am? I'm the fucking swinger for the LA. Man, they're like multiplying. They're like gay rabbits.
I don't think that happened.
I'm pretty sure gay rabbits don't multiply.
Oh, my money's gonna be nice. Gonna buy me a wife. Gonna buy me a couple of kids.
Are you a wife? It's a kid.
Shit.
Get it. Damn, I'm fucking. That one's so.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. What did you just say?
I don't know. I was trying to figure out what. Oh, I went to the wrong side.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Oh shit! No!
No, don't kill any zombies. None.
Alright, I'm literally here just as aesthetic. Look, I'll just make gun sound effects so my subs think I'm shooting.
Bang,
Pew,
bang,
pew, 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 bang, bang, bang. Oh man, explosion. Wait, hold on, I gotta take my fully automatic out. I got your back. Yeah, it's Liam. What's he gotta say? He's waving at us.
Oh,
he's
that
gone.
motherfucker.
Oh shit, you're gonna die, Evan. That comes back to you.
No. Okay.
Oh,
it's
you're
safe.
okay. We're fine. Let me in the door. Oh, whoa! What the fuck? There's one down there.
I can't do it.
I just picture SpongeBob sucking cock when you do that.
221. Still 221.
221.
Oh fuck. Sorry. Shit. It's getting hot in here.
How come I can't use this
Eats
pistol?
away all night. I mean
All
all
light.
I can't read for shit. The story continues from the previous chapters. You are your fishing buddies? Oh fuck. Okay,
No.
I read that one wrong.
You are.
Imagine spitting in this kind of atmosphere. It would go really far. Yeah, like hocking a dookie.
He's sick. I'm spitting hawk in a dookie.
Hocking a dookie.
I wonder if Nogla's ever said that in like a real life scenario. Like,
He's at the dentist.
all right, now you can go ahead and spit. Oh, I just hawked a dookie in your sink.
It's hocking a loogie, is it?
Loogie.
Loogie. The plot is, alright, that we went on Dahi the planet, the new Earth. And it's
The new Earth. Oh, the new.
but it's also like the moon. So, but when we
Okay.
came here, there was zombies, and we gotta get rid of them before everyone else comes along.
Right.
And they get dookied on.
Sorry about that, I was too busy fingering your nan.
I was too busy fingering your nan. Jesus.
Bought all fish and chip, if you know what I mean.
Oh my God.
Oh, fuck me life, man! Why? Where was that? Where was everybody, man? I just got fucking swamped.
Oh man, that guy came up like MJ.
What?
I'm just buying a house so I can get cats.
Wait, Nogla's got his fucking priorities in check, man. I'm gonna get a house so I can have cats.
Slot bags, pick me up. I'm gonna die, you know.
It's round one. Relax.
It doesn't matter. I lose stuff. It's going.
I love that sound effect.
He's never felt so much power in his life.
Oh my God. I've been spinning the whole time looking for a weapon. I finally found one.
You're the last
420.
one, Evan. Where are you, boy? Trust me. You want this to go smooth and easy, not hard and deep.
What are you gonna do to me? Shake that booty.
Shake that booty. Shake that booty. Shake, shake, shake. You better shake, shake, shake.
Right. Now do the Frankenstein.
Frankie, Frank. Oh. How'd you like that moves? How'd you like those moves? Hey, Evan, look at all the fishies. Look at them. I bet they wish they had arms to wave around. Stupid fish. Hey, follow me. I know a spot. Come with me. Come with me. It's only a spot I know. Only I know. No one else can come.
Wait, what? You just said to follow you.
Yeah, I don't know what to do now.
I'm trying to confuse Delirious. Guys, come on.
Dude, why are these bitches sponging my bullets?
Oh, the boss is here.
That was the boss one. Oh, no, this is the boss one.
Oh! Oh!
How's that axe working for you?
If you would have used the axe instead of the knife.
Oh!
Oh, what? What?
Oh, look at this. Watch this.
Oh, look.
Over here. Yeah, feel free to pick me up. Just saying. I'm in the tall grass, so watch out for Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Oh crap! I'm up where you
I'm in the tall grass. Watch out for the Pokemon.
Hey.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. There's the Pokemon.
We should open up this. Put them in this, and then we get them on these.
What?
In here, over here.
He's on the third floor.
See? Hi, see? I'm gone. Never gonna catch me. I seen ya.
Never gonna find him.
No, don't come that way. You don't want to go that way.
Which way? Where is he?
I am Darth Vader. If you did not know, that's my name. Hi, how are
Wait,
you?
who are
What's your
you?
name?
Who are you? Say it again.
Darth Vader.
Say it slowly.
Darth Vader.
Dart Vader?
Yes, Darth Vader.
Darth Vader. I get it. I'm
Gonna
listening.
go past this bridge. Go along the trail. It's a pretty obvious trail. And then
Why are you screaming?
oh, guns, get out. Why not? And then gonna land back on the bridge. First person on the bridge wins.
Yeah.
All right.
And then the winner.
Yeah.
It's 2 cheeseburgers.
Yes.
Two cheeseburgers.
Let's do this.
Hey,
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
oh, what the fuck?
Go, buddy, go. Here we go.
Wait a minute. How you after me?
Yeah. I'm winning. Oh no.
I don't know where I am. All I see is white on my screen. Eyes like that. I mean, she. Don't go that way, Evan.
Careful, guys! Careful!
Why is that clickety clack cat freaking dead? Oh my gosh! Fuck! I clicked it so many times. I think my mouse broke.
Where is he? I don't see him. Nogla sounded like a fucking dog.
Run, Nogla, run.
What's
Just try
the
to run
point
at
of
least.
running anymore?
Just try.
I'll play you in a pool for. I'll play you in a game of pool for it. All right, okay. If you win, we go. You let me go. Okay. And if I win,
Wait, if I win?
Look at the white.
He said if we win. He said if we win.
whatever. Who gives a shit? Pool sucks anyway. Oh, you're the butcher. You know what the heck? I thought you were a witch.
Multiple times I said I was not the grandma.
Multiple times I wasn't listening.
Apparently.
So yeah.
And
Oh man, don't capture me. Don't be like that. Don't be like that, man.
I will.
I like your necklace. I'm just nervous talking to girls.
Fuck you, you faggot! God, that scared the dick out of me, dude. I'm about to shit my pants.
Fuck. Shit my ass!
No, don't do it.
Which way is left?
That's a dead end.
No, run, Evan, run!
That was your master plan.
Yes, I was blending in with the background. Come on.
Oh man, I don't know how I didn't see you in there. You shouldn't have. What'd you do? What you do?
What happened?
You shouldn't have had what you do.
I don't know how I got these scars.
Yeah. How'd you get those scars?
My father, when I was 5, he got a knife, okay?
Yeah.
Went into the kitchen. He decided to chop some meat. Chicken. It was chicken on a chopping board.
This is a great story.
Lots of detail.
And I was watching him chop the chicken. I thought to myself, how'd he do that?
Oh man, great story.
Why am I setting up?
I understand. I understand.
That's how
How he got his scars now, guys. We should watch the hide and seek video of us watching our own video. Of us watching our own video. Of us watching our own video. Our own video and our video.
We should have a reaction to our reaction to that reaction of our reacting. Only so many trees I can look at, man. Oh, whoa, would you what?
Would you what?
So if I could describe my spot in 10 words, it would be nature.
Nature, okay.
It would be outside.
Okay.
It would be sky. It would be voluptuous. It would be foliage. It would be caterpillar. It would be owl standing right next to me.
Where are you?
It would be ants and worms and shit. That's enough fucking words. I'm near. I'm really near.
In the bushes?
That's the
I think
point.
he's just in the bushes.
Yeah, I'm in the bushes. Oh, he's underneath the thing.
Yep. He's underneath the thing.
Fucking hell, no, you lost.
Don't repeat what I'm saying. You in here, huh? I bet you won't even subtitle this, man. For a second, I thought he was next to this poop thing. Oh, no, he's not. Why? Ah! Because that's him.
Oh,
Where is
shit.
he? Where was he?
I think he found me.
No, go. Where? Move.
No, that's not him. That's not him. No, it is. No, it is. Is it? Come on.
You're never gonna get me underneath here.
Oh, what?
He's not even under there.
Come on.
Oh, take a risk.
This car handles so much nicer. That drift. Please enjoy. And if this is Nogla say, there was 333 potatoes balancing on 300,033 potatoes and 3 potatoes. Thank you.
Just blend in. Just blend.
Hold on. Ah!
Is that like was that a sneeze fail?
Yeah, I was thought I was gonna sneeze, but it just came out as a scream.
Nogla, you said you had an idea and then you just didn't tell us where you were or how to find you or what to do. Or...
You said it was a bad idea, so I got sad. I can't wait to cook you for Christmas, Tyler. I can't wait.
Fuck you.
I'm gonna have you with a bit of mashed potato, some mushy peas. Oh boy,
some mushy
I don't
peas.
think Grinch accepted our apology, you guys.
he can go shit on a cat.
I hear that, Nogla.
Where's the cat? I got a shit.
I will pull intelligent. Oh, not. Nope.
I will pull interstellar. Fuck, never mind.
I'll pull intergalactic design.
What are you in for, huh?
Oh, I'm a hardened criminal. I've done some minor crimes. You don't want to hear them. You really don't.
I do.
So what I did, right? Listen up here. I went on a bus 200 times without a ticket. All right.
Shit.
Yeah.
What kind of crime is that?
And then what happened?
And then I may have shit all over the back of the bus.
Oh, damn.
How are you not in solitary?
Make it
What's
out
the
of
first one do? Oh shit! Shit! Guys, get off the first button!
Oh, wait. I'm good.
Oh, wow.
Shit.
He just got dizzy.
All right. Do this one in slow motion, too.
Okay.
Alright!
Damn it! That one was just like a ding-a-ling, my ding-a-ling. I want
you ready for this,
to
Nogla?
play with my ding-a-ling.
Nogla, stop!
My ding-a-ling. Oh my ding-a-ling. I want you to play with my ding-a-ling.
You're so fucking annoying. I swear to God.
Hey guys, it's Ty here, and welcome to the new map, Derunkchrunch.
It's
you pronounce it, Brock. You got it.
It's actually Der Eisenhower.
Der Eisenhower.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay.
One of the
You're
great
half German,
presidents.
so you know. Yeah. Yeah. It was like, oh, it's a barrier. It's clear to breathe. Watch your back, bitch. Watch your back, bitch!
I'm watching your back. I can't watch mine, I'm watching yours.
Oh, I can't buy the M8. Fucking cock shit. Let's try and figure out what, how, when, and why, and what are we doing here, Brock? Like, what's the game plan? What's the dealio? What are we doing? I'd say feed the 2 dragons, and that unlocks the electricity, right? Okay, so which dragon do you want to feed left? Right. Or which, fucking,
what?
Damn it. Which dragon do you want to feed first? Yeah, the other dragons. Over here! Over here! To the left! Fuck, man. Did you not watch that Beyonce fucking song? Or listen to it? Whatever. You can do both these days with technology.
Yeah, fuck his ass.
Just bark.
Sounded like a dog that just got kicked.
What it felt like.
CT.
Dog bark again.
Defuse it! He's defusing it!
What you see your bomb?
God damn it, Nogla. What the fuck? 83 with a shotgun!
I mean, Eli, give me up on that thing.
In the head!
There's one behind us. Just scrape me.
Oh, fuck that, dude. 33 and 1, and I could only see his head. Come on.
Got it. 23. Ow, fuck.
That inhale made it.
Who pushing you?
Two ops there again.
Oh, 33 and 1. Oh.
He's 33 and 1. He didn't count.
Fuck.
Fuck it.
What am I doing? Someone want to set 5 a.m.
What?
What did you just say?
What did he say?
I don't know.
I don't know, man. I was trying to fucking English right there. Oh, there's a lot of banana! The banana! No, I mean right side of the banana you're looking at!
It was left side, you fuck.
Need a lot of banana! Fucking hell, Nogla.
Enjoy subtitling that.
Try subtitling that. Bet you can't, bitch.
No, this one's for you, Brock. Know for sure who killed JFK, or know for sure what happened to Amela Earhart. Oh, shoot.
Say that name again?
Amela Earhart.
Amela Earhart.
Who is she?
Amelia Earhart.
Look, that's how we pronounce it in Ireland, man, okay? That's how we pronounce it in Ireland.